Welcome to this tutorial where we will dive into the fascinating world of Ethereum addresses. Today, we will learn how to generate Ethereum addresses programmatically using Java. Whether you're a blockchain developer or just an enthusiast, understanding how addresses are created is crucial. Let's get started. First, let's understand what an Ethereum address is. An Ethereum address is a 40 hexadecimal character long string derived from the public key of a user's account. It represents a location on the Ethereum blockchain where Ether, ETH, and tokens can be sent and received. The generation of an Ethereum address involves two main steps: generating a private key and deriving the public key from it. Finally, an Ethereum address is derived from the public key. For this tutorial, we'll leverage the Web3j library in Java, which simplifies interactions with Ethereum. Let's set up our development environment. First, you need to have Java installed on your machine. If you haven't done this yet, please navigate to the official Java website and download the latest version. You'll also want to set up a build tool like Maven or Gradle. In this example, we'll use Maven. Now, open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. To create a basic Maven project, you can run mvn archetype, generate group id equals com.example, dartifact id equals eth address generator, darchetype artifact ID equals Maven archetype quick start, interactive mode equals false. This will set up a basic Maven structure for you. Once your project structure is created, navigate to the src/main/java/com/example directory. Here, we'll create a new Java file called ethereum_address_generator.java. This file will contain the code to generate our Ethereum addresses. Now let's generate a random private key and the corresponding public key. The Web3j library provides a convenient way to generate a wallet from that private key. Here's how you can do it. To specify a password, your password in this case, which is a part of securing the private key. It's a good practice to keep your private key secure, so never expose it openly. Now let's flesh out the main method. Let's add this to our main method. This will generate a random key pair and derive the Ethereum address from the private key using the keys utility class from Web3j. Run your project, and it should print out a random Ethereum address. You may have noticed that we added a prefix 0x to the address. This is the standard notation for hexadecimal numbers in Ethereum. By convention, every Ethereum address starts with 0x. Next, we will enhance our program to verify its workflow by creating a wallet file. This file will allow us to securely store our private key. With Web3j, this is just a couple of additional lines. We will make use of the wallet class. Be sure to replace path /to/your/wallet/ with the actual directory where you want to save your wallet file. On successful execution, this code will generate a JSON string representation of the wallet, which includes the address and other necessary information. Now that we have our address and wallet file, let's talk about security. Always remember that anyone with access to your private key can access your funds. It's essential to store your private key and wallet file in a secure environment, ideally encrypted and not hard-coded into your applications. Finally, let's summarize what we've covered in this tutorial. We generated a random Ethereum address, created a wallet file, and emphasized the importance of privacy and security related to Ethereum addresses. If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Also, comment below about what topics you want to see next. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.